Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. Victoria has a question. Do you have any suggestions for someone who doesn't have a clue what to do with their lives, like career-wise, like divination, maybe some kind of oil, something to help get creative or open to receive signs? I'm at a loss. Well, I think what you would want is some mental clarity, right? You want to know it up here, probably not your emotions so much as your head, right? So you can get a skull candle, which represents the mind. Skull candles represent, among other things, it represents the mind. And I would recommend either getting a white one for clarity, or you could have a orange one to open up those blocks that are preventing you from seeing it. That could be one candle that I would recommend. You could use blockbuster oil, you could use open roads oil, and you can use high creativity oil on that candle. And that is a very good spell to get that mental clarity. However, if you want a more psychic vision of what it is and to really open that up, you might want to get the psychic cat candle that has the cat with the third eye open to like really bring that psychic clarity, that real intuitive knowing that this is the path that you need to go on. Again, same oils, same colors, but either one of those candles, you can either choose the psychic cat or you can choose the skull candle, and those can bring you that clarity. Beautiful thing to do. You might want to use as herbs going around any of the lemongrass, lemon verbena, lemon balm to kind of clear up the energy. Camphor is also good for clearing that up as well. And you could put that, sprinkle that around the candle. So that would be a very simple spell, but effective spell for doing that if you want to do a candle spell. Also, likewise, you can use those oils on yourself if you want to use them on yourself. High creativity oil, open roads oil, or blockbuster oil, or any combination of the three. All right.